We are learning the code from the music on Broadway. Let's listen the whole music first. Let's see the music. Ask the student about the key. Most of the students answer, this music is composed on C major. So ask them to see the left hand. The left hand start. So this music is composed on G major, and actually music ends on G. Let's play G major scale. Please talk with the student about this music, which doesn't have F sharp on the melody. For advanced students, pick some keys and ask them to transport this G major music into there. When you have a chance to listen to the original music on Broadway, the original music has many key changes. I'm hoping you have a chance to reach out to the original music. Thank you so much.